CFMoto has launched the much-awaited 300NK BS6 motorcycle in the Indian market. The Street Naked is the first model from the brand to receive the BS6 update. The CFMoto 300NK BS6 is priced at Rs 2.29 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The company has managed to price the updated motorcycle the same as its BS4 counterpart. The launch of the 300NK BS6 has been announced on the brand's social media page. Although the price has been announced by the company, it is yet to reveal the updated engine specs and changes made to the new motorcycle. The 300NK was the brand's entry-level motorcycle offering in the BS4 era. The BS6 motorcycle is powered by an updated version of the same 292cc unit that was powering the BS4 model. While the BS6 engine specs are yet to be known, we expect the power and torque figures of the 300NK BS6 to remain similar to the BS4 model. The 292cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine with DOHC setup produced a maximum of 28 bhp at 8,750 rpm and a peak torque of 25 Nm at 7,000 rpm. The engine comes mated to a 6-speed standard gearbox. Suspension and braking setup on the 2021 300NK have been carried over from its BS4 counterpart as well. This includes a USD upside-down forks at the front and a monoshock suspension setup that is adjustable for preload at the rear. Braking on the motorcycle is handled via disc brakes at both ends, supported by dual-channel ABS as standard. The 300NK BS6 motorcycle carries forward the same street naked design with an aggressive-looking headlamp unit, muscular fuel tank, raised handlebar, fluid-style seat design, underbelly exhaust, and a short tail section among others. The 300NK BS6 continues to feature a couple of riding modes which were seen on the BS4 model. The ride modes could be controlled using the switch cube and the TFT display instrument console, which will be a part of the package on the BS6 300NK motorcycle.
Skoda is working on bringing in a number of new models to the Indian market this year. A number of products have been spied undergoing testing on multiple occasions across India. One of these new products expected to go on sale very soon is the CNG variant of Skoda's most popular sedan, the Rapid. The new Skoda Rapid CNG variant will go on sale sometime this year. Zach Hollis, Director Sales and Marketing Skoda India, confirmed the Rapid CNG for the Indian market while responding to a customer query on social media. Zach Hollis took to Twitter to confirm that Skoda is indeed testing the CNG version of the Rapid sedan for the Indian market. Hollis further went on to confirm that Skoda has scheduled the launch of 4 new products in the market over the next 12 months. The first among the 4 models coming to India is the Skoda Kodiaq mid-size SUV, which is set to world premiere sometime later this month. Skoda will also be introducing the latest generation Octavia in the Indian market, while a brand new C-segment sedan is also being worked on, which will be positioned above the Rapid. Zach Hollis had previously confirmed that the new C-segment sedan will go on sale in India by year-end. The upcoming sedan is said to be bigger car and could be named the Slavia. Skoda had previously trademarked the Slavia name for an upcoming model. Considering the name isn't in line with the brand's SUV nomenclature, we are expecting Slavia to be the name for the new sedan in India. Skoda Auto India currently has its hands full with the upcoming world premiere of its Kodiaq SUV. The company has unveiled official design sketches of both the exterior and interior of the upcoming SUV, giving us a glimpse of what to expect. TVS Motor Company has launched its 2021 Apache RTR 160 in the Indian market. The new 2021 TVS Apache RTR 160 4V is offered in 2 variants, drum and disc, with the retail price tag starting at Rs 1.07 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. This translates to a price hike of around Rs 3,000 on both models. For the hike amount, TVS has brought in a number of changes and updates. This includes a weight reduction of 2 kg. The entry-level drum variant of the Apache RTR 160 4V now weighs in at 145 kg, while the disc variant tips the scale at 147 kg. Other changes on the motorcycle also include an all-new dual-tone seat with a carbon fiber pattern, LED headlamps with the claw-styled position lamps. The motorcycle is also offered in 3 paint schemes: racing red, night black, and metallic blue. However, the most important update is to the engine. The 2021 TVS Apache RTR 160 4V carries forward the same 159.7cc single-cylinder oil-cooled unit. The engine now produces 17.5 bhp at 9,250 rpm and 14.73 Nm of peak torque at 7,250 rpm. This is 1.5 bhp and 0.6 Nm more than on its previous 2020 model. The motorcycle does continue to use the same 5-speed gearbox as standard. This makes the 2021 TVS Apache RTR 160 4V the most powerful motorcycle in its segment in India. The 2021 TVS Apache RTR 164V is now said to be the most powerful motorcycle in the country's 150 to 160cc segment. The motorcycle rivals the likes of the Bajaj Pulsar NS 160 and the Suzuki Gixxer 155.